So in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off auto brightness on iPhone. And it can be really annoying if it's all by itself is turning up and down without you doing anything. So how you can fix that is you can just go into the settings here. And from there, you can just go ahead and go scroll down to the accessibility option here. And from there, what you're going to do is you're going to press on and tap display and text size. And scroll all the way down until you see this toggle right here. And what you got to do is you just tap this one, auto brightness, turn it off, and it will stop turning on and off by itself. So really, it's that simple. And after that, if you want to adjust your screen brightness, all you can do is scroll down on the right side, top right side here. And from there, you can just turn your brightness up or down from here. Really, that's all you got to do. If you found this video helpful at all, please like and subscribe, and peace out.